Today is the 9th of March 2025. For those of you who are fasting, Ramadan Mubarak. The weather in London today is beautiful, plenty of sun and is a nice warm temperature. In today's video, we will give you an update on our chili plants and we will show you what seeds we intend to sow in the month of March. Hello everyone and Assalamu alaikum. If you're new to our channel, I'm Akibullah. If you're planning to grow chilies this year, and if you haven't already started your chili seeds, I strongly advise you to sow your seeds now in March, otherwise it's going to be too late. Chilies take a long time to grow. You need to allow them enough time for them to mature and grow. These are some of the Naga chili plants we have started in mid-January. And I must say, mashallah, they are looking very beautiful. They are maturing into nice big healthy plants. Look at the leaves. Such a beautiful nice green colour on them. This year we decided we're not going to be growing Carolina Reaper or the Trinidad Scorpion. I must say it's too spicy for us, so we're not going to grow it this year. This year we're growing Naga chilies, habaneros and a few different varieties of green chilies. Look at them. Don't they look beautiful? I must say all the plants are looking nice and healthy. As you know, we love our aubergines and eggplants. They're so delicious and tasty. 2 weeks ago we have sown all our eggplant seeds and we have sown a few different varieties. I think 5 or 6. This is the round desi bagan that we normally grow. We have sown these seeds around 2 weeks ago and we added quite a few seeds in this small container over here, and I can see they have popped up very fast. Most of the seeds have popped up, so soon we have to separate them and put them into their individual containers. We just need to find the most healthiest ones and separate them. So if you haven't started your aubergine seeds, sow them now before it's too late. If you're growing desi vegetables, things like khodu, bitter gourd, snake gourd and kumra, it's best to sow your seeds between mid-March to mid-April. You don't want to start your seeds too early, otherwise you're going to end up with a big plant inside your house. And in the UK, the weather doesn't start getting warmer till the beginning of June, so you're going to have to wait till the beginning of June to plant your plants out into the ground. If you're planning on growing runner beans or flood beans this year, don't sow your seeds too early. We normally sow our seeds mid-April. They grow really fast and they need a lot of heat. You should start your tomato seeds and your cucumber seeds now if you're growing inside a greenhouse. But if you intend to grow your tomatoes and your cucumbers outdoors, you should wait until end of March, beginning of April, because they grow really fast as well and they need a lot of heat. The other day we went to our local pound shop and we bought some seed potatoes and some seed onions. You should plant your seed potatoes and onions between mid-March to mid-April, depending on the weather and the area that you live in. We hope to plant our onions and our potatoes in the next few weeks, all depending on the weather. We like to grow our potatoes in grow bags and containers because we see they do very well for us. So we're going to continue growing them in grow bags and containers. You can start growing your leafy green vegetables, things like mustard leaves, radish and lettuce. As you can see, this mustard leaves live fodder is looking really amazing. It looks nice and healthy. We started this live fodder last year, October, and we've been eating live fodder throughout the whole of the winter. They look really nice. We got a couple containers of them, more over here. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you have, please like our videos. And don't forget to share our videos with your friends and family. As you know, sharing is caring. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, do something amazing and hit that subscribe button. and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified every time we upload. Stay safe, assalamu alaikum, and until then I'll see you in the next one.